How to do Boolean algebra on missing values. I want to replicate Boolean na values as they behave in R. Na is a valid logical object, where a component of x or y is na. The result will be na if the outcome is ambiguous. In other words, na and amp. True evaluates to na, but na and amp. False evaluates to false. This URL. I have seen none being recommended for missing values, but Python converts none to false when evaluating Boolean expressions and computes none or false to false. The result should of course have been none, as no conclusions can be made given the missing value. How do I achieve this in Python? Edit accepted answer computes correctly with bitwise Boolean operators, but to achieve the same behavior with logical operators not, or and, seems to require a change in the Python programming language.
You can define a custom class, singleton, and define custom underscore underscore and underscore underscore, and whatever other you need, function. See this? This URL.
You can do this by creating a class and overriding the Boolean operation methods.
As others have said, you can define your own class. Use.
If one Hotel isn't einstein.